Tea with everything.
What?
Where? I'll have seconds. What?
Hey!
What?
Yum.
What?
Where?
Hey!
What?
Hey!
What?
At last.
Oh, not my fault.
Hiccups. How to get rid of hiccups?
Help me! Billy!
Here it is. How to hypnotize your friends. All right, Kel. Now, are you ready? Look deeply into the wheel. Deeply into the wheel. Sleep, sleep. Sleep deeply into the wheel. Sleep, sleep. No! I said sleep, not sheep. Wake up, you mob, wake up! Don't you guys look at the wheel. Just her, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Cover your eyes.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh,
She's back to try again, folks.
Oh, Billy!
How about a big hand? Ah, thanks. Okay, let's spin the wheel. That wins the deal. Lights! Sleep, sleep.
Oh!
Bah.
Well?
That's no way to get rid of the hiccups.
Well, what would you do then?
Come over here and maybe I'll tell you.
I'll tell you about...
Don't rush me!
Bah.
You know what we've got to do? We've got to give her a...
Croc-a-didgeridoo! If anyone can scare away those hiccups, it's us Crocs.
Don't worry, Kel. We'll have you fixed in a tick. Just relax.
If you're trying to scare me, I think you'll have to do better than that.
Bah.
I wish those sheep would shut up. Ah, my beautiful, beautiful water pump. Where do you want it? Here. Sorry, buddy, can't see. They never said I had to assemble it.
What do we need a water pump for?
To drain the river. Just think, Ajax. No water.
Oh, Rufus.
No crocodiles. Even you should be able to follow that. I'll get 2 birds with 1 stone. Drain the river and fill up my new swimming pool. No water, no crocodiles. No water, no crocodiles. No water, no crocodiles. No water, no crocodiles.
Right.
No water, no crocodiles. No water, no crocodiles.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
Oh, I don't know.
It can't fail. What a deflating experience. Ah! Hey! Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Come on, guys, this is pathetic. We're a bunch of mean, nasty crocodiles, and she's just a girl. Now, let's really scare her.
I've got it. Look out!
What's that spooky music?
Hey?
Hey!
I'm out of here.
Billy! Don't! Wait a minute.
Beware of the ghost of Headless Herman. Look, I give up. There's nothing we can do to scare you, Kelly.
You crocs are about as scary as a marshmallow rabbit.
So did it work? Are you serious?
This ought to do it.
Oh, no, not this stuff. Oh, anything but. Oh, have you no soul?
Grandma Heartache used to listen to this stuff all the time.
You know, that explains quite a lot.
This is pathetic. Let's really scare her. This is pathetic. Let's really scare her.
Not another contraption.
This goes with... Yes, that's it. Just screw this on and presto!
You won, Rufus.
Keep the beak shut. Now, part 5 goes here, which means this goes with, of course. And this one just screws on and presto! Don't say anything. And presto!
A dronga of the first order.
I said presto, 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 presto! Yes, yes, finally, presto! Beautiful.
Yeah, but...
Look at that gleaming.
Yeah, but...
See it now, sucking up that swamp they call a river.
Yeah, how are you going to...
Drained in a jiffy.
Get it out of here.
What?
It ain't going to fit through the, door, Rufus.
Ah! Sucking up that river. Rain in a jiffy. A jiffy.
What is a jiffy anyway?
I am...
Ajax, help me. Well, that wasn't so hard, was it? Beautiful.
Oh.
What are you sitting down for? There's work to be done. Right, follow me.
Bah. Bah.
Now for the fun part.
Right.
Turn it on.
Bah.
This is going to be great.
Bah.
Where's that noise coming from?
Hiccups! Hiccups! I've had it with these hiccups. It frightens the fish, and we can't even sleep.
I'm really... I'd stop if I could.
Doesn't anyone have any ideas?
Why don't we use this?
How's that gonna help?
That's how.
Yuck!
Rufus Breakwater Hardacre here, entrepreneur.
Hardacre, what the hell's going on up there?
Going on? Nothing's going on.
Why are all these tourists being disturbed by sheep? The boat hasn't stopped ringing all day. I want those sheep out of there, quick smart.
I'm not scared of that bird brain.
What did you say?
Scared of the rain, boss.
Good, then sort it out.
That's the way, Rufus. You tell him.
Get out of it!
Are you sure this is a cure for hiccups? Of course I'm sure. I've been jumping up and down all my life. I've never hiccuped once, not once. I'm making a comeback with lefts, rights, bodies. Mate, I'm here to tell you, I'm on the comeback trial.
about as flash as a rat with a gold tooth.
This is where rock stars and supermodels will come to sip drinks in this beautiful croc-free environment.
Hey, wasn't there water here a minute ago?
Rufus? 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 Bad move. The water. Rufus? Is going down. Oh, sucking up.
Mummy.
Down.
Oh, no.
Just like one of those old-time droughts we used to have.
Old Vern, this isn't a drought.
No way.
Well, we used to have them anyway.
Maybe Waldo had a drink.
Bah. Bah.
Hey, what's this? That wasn't there before.
What is it? What is it?
It's oh!
Kelly! Wow, we were wondering where you got to.
Sorry, I drank too much water.
Where are your hiccups?
Of course, the oldest cure in the book. Drinking water.
No! It must have been the jumping! It must have been the jumping! It must have been the jumping!
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Now, this'll work for sure, Rufus. I'll get rid of those hiccups in a 2 seconds. 20 old-time elevator grates, complete with the sound of pressing buttons and polite conversation.
No, Ajax. No.
We have to get rid of those nasty hiccups, Rufus.
First floor, second floor, third floor, second floor, first floor, third floor, first floor, second floor, third floor,
Will someone shut that shape up?
third floor,
Excuse me for breathing.
third floor.